Do you think that this country is racist?
I don't. I don't. I don't.
Do you think Britain is a racist country?
No, not at all. Of course it's not. No, not at all. No, not at all. No, not at all.
Do you believe that the UK is a racist country?
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. And I think it's one of the advantages you have as a first-generation immigrant is that you can often compare two totally different places. And that's one of the reasons I always say that I think Britain is the best place in the world to be black, specifically. And I still stick to that. Say that I think Britain is the best place in the world to be black, the best place in the world, the best place in the world.